Throughout their lives, people face many challenges. There are some things in our life that test our strength and abilities. People should overcome challenges. Challenges can be different: accident, disability, dangerous or risky sport, phobia, a challenging job, a disaster, a sudden effect that happens unexpectedly and results in harm or injury, accident, a problem with part of your body, disability, risky sports, dangerous sports, a strong feeling of fear, phobia. It needs a lot of hard work and special skills, a challenging job, an extremely bad accident, a disaster. Let's visit the Browns. They face different challenges in their lives and overcome them. Mom has a phobia of being enclosed-in spaces. Greg has been unable to walk since he was injured in a car accident. He has problems with his health. He is in a wheelchair. The car accident was caused by someone driving too fast. Greg's dad finds working with handicapped children challenging, but extremely rewarding. Last year, the family experienced a terrible event, a natural disaster. Greg's cousins like doing extreme sports, but they are very dangerous and risky. Doing any risky sport, you can damage some part of the body. After doing risky sports, you can suffer an injury. A dark, painful mark, a bruise, appears on your skin if someone hits you or after you've fallen down. You can break a bone in your body. You can injure your ankle or knee by twisting or pulling them suddenly.